This is a traditional Japanese Nasu Dengaku recipe that you will fall in love with. Tender baked eggplant brushed with sweet miso glaze, it's simply irresistible. It's easy to make, looks fantastic, and it's ready in under 30 minutes. So let's go! Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. Let's start by making the miso glaze. Add the sake and mirin to a small saucepan, then add the miso paste and the sugar. Heat gently until the sugar and the paste dissolve into the liquids and bring to a very gentle boil, then put to one side whilst we start the aubergine. Heat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit if you're that side of the pond, and cut the eggplant in half lengthways. Work fast as we don't want the aubergine to discolour. Remove a small part of the rounded bottoms of each half. This will make them stable and stand still, instead of wobbling around and causing your miso glaze to run off. Score a crisscross pattern, cut into the flesh, taking care not to cut the skin and not to make the cuts too deep. About 4 mm is good. Heat a large frying pan with a touch of cooking oil and fry the eggplant halves until nicely browned on both the cut sides. Place onto a baking tray or a baking sheet and generously brush with the miso glaze. Don't use all of it at once, as we'll need to reglaze a few times during cooking. If you're baking or roasting in the oven, then cook for about 20 minutes until the eggplant is completely cooked, and reglaze every 5 minutes while it's cooking so that it has a nice sticky caramelized surface. Baking in the oven is the easiest and most foolproof way. Broiling or grilling on the barbecue requires a bit more skill, but if you feel ambitious, go for it. To serve, just sprinkle some finely sliced scallions or green onion, chilies and toasted sesame seeds on them, and serve with jasmine rice, and off we go. Enjoy! Time to dink with secondary camera boy and say thanks for filming, and of course use up their extra sake. Well, thanks SCB. Kampai! Well, I hope you liked this easy vegan recipe. I've got lots more on this channel for vegans, veggies and omnivores. Why not check them out? So until next time, bye!